Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be reviewing India's most popular shampoo, that is Clinic Plus. Clinic Plus always reminds me of my childhood days. I think we can find this shampoo in almost each and every house in India. This is one of the trusted shampoo in Indian household. If you have oily scalp, then this shampoo is used to eliminate oil and brings up soft strands, relieve the scalp irritation, eliminates dandruff, leaving your hair strands 100% flake free and keep hair beautiful. This shampoo has anti-clean molecules that deep cleanses and milk protein complex which nourishes your hair. On the front part of the packaging, they have given that this product is ₹1 only and they have given 50% extra. Let's see what's there on the back side. Clinic Plus Nourishing Formula Shampoo. It's made in India and marketed by Hindustan Unilever Limited. The net volume of this product is 4 ml plus 50% extra. But if you have dry scalp, then this shampoo is not going to work for you. It is going to make your hair more dry and frizzy. Let's open this product. This is how the products look like. The fragrance is not much strong. How to apply this shampoo? Wet your hair first and just take this shampoo on your palm. Rub and just apply it on your hair. Massage this shampoo for 2 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Pros of Clinic Plus shampoo. It's affordable, blends easily on your hair, keeps hair fresh for long, cleanse oil from hair, makes your hair soft and smooth. Cons of Clinic Plus. Doesn't provide noticeable shine. Not super effective for dry hair. So this was the review of Clinic Plus Sachet Shampoo. If you like this video and content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.